Alright guys and girls, welcome to Strumming Guitar. I'm having fun here with DJ Snakes and Stray Kids in the dark, Let's go into this one, melody and strumming combined. Not too much to add to that. Let's go into the setup, and we had a Kpop on first. That's the absolute best scenario for us. 3 chords, that is a good scenario. So let's look into the chords. C major 7 first. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. That is the C major 7. Next is the bar chord of B minor 7. So you place index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. Then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. And we also got the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have a melody here to start with, and that is based upon the chord progression C major, B minor 7, then E minor, and back to B minor 7. Okay, so that is a melody based upon that, and that chord progression is used for the verse and also the chorus. So we're gonna look into the melody first and then see how we can translate that into a strumming pattern. So let's do it chord by chord, starting with the C major pattern. It goes like this. Okay, so what you need here for this specific melody is just to add this 3rd fret A string, push that down, and everything else down there is open. So you're gonna play, so pretty much down only. So 3rd fret A, open G, open B, and open E. And then that follows with 3 times of that open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so that is the C major 7, and this pattern will go for all the other chords afterwards. So we're gonna go into the B minor 7 part. You hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. Okay, so same principle here. You're gonna play the bass note, the 2nd fret A, and then that follows with 4th D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. You're gonna play that for 4 times. So then you go into the E minor parts, and the same principle here. You're gonna play like this. And here it's actually enough to just hold the 2nd fret D string, and you're gonna play the open E in the bass, and then 2nd D, open G, open B 4 times. And then you go back to the B minor 7 and play that in the same way you played it before. So, and that will be 1 round. So together like this. Okay. So there you have the melody for verse and the chorus play. Yes, but the more dominant sound here for the song will be, I believe, the strumming pattern. So let's go back to this C major 7. Now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. And 1 round goes like this. You could play this in different ways. This is my interpretation of it. This is matching with the sound and the beat and rhythm that's going on here. So what you're going to do here is down clap to start with. And then comes down up, up down. And then clap down. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. You're gonna play one of these rounds, of course, in the same order of the chords. So C major 1, B minor 7 1, E minor 1, and B minor 7 1, like this. That will be one round. Like I mentioned here a couple times already, verse and chorus play is played in this way, melody or strumming. Now in between we have the pre-chorus, and what you're going to do here is just to alternate the C major 7 with one round melody, or what I would prefer, the strumming, and B minor 7. So C major, B minor, C major, and B minor. And that's what's going on, guys. So there you have it, the DJ Snakes and Stray Kids, yes, in the dark. So have fun with this one, melody or strumming. It's pretty straightforward. Hope to see you soon. Next time, play tuned.